Hello, hello, this is Carrie coming back at you, and I am so excited today because our team that we have developed is an absolute dynamite exploding team. We have a team of experts. The thing is, a lot of people think they can do it all on their own, and I used to think I could too, but the more and more that I've been doing this, the more awesome people that I meet, and what we have formed is basically we have a team that can absolutely explode your online presence. We can explode your marketing efforts, and we can do this for you. We can get it all done for you. Let me tell you just a little bit about ourselves. Basically, we are not just talk. We have results. We can prove it to you. We know how to market effectively. We know how to do search engine optimization. We know how to write articles. We know how to get traffic. We know how to get people chasing us, and we can do the same for you. Okay? Think outside the box for a moment. Whatever efforts that you're doing right now that are working great, keep at it. But what is wrong with implementing a team that helps you with your advertising markets? Help us help you. Let us get an advertising campaign ready for you, and let us absolutely blow your mind. Let us get you results. Let us get you on the first pages of the major search engines with a keyword that's being searched for thousands of times a day that has to do with your niche market. Let's get you in front of the faces of your consumer. Let's get your link, your video, your web page, your blog, your Squidoo, your hub page, your everything that it is that you're doing. Let us set it up for you. Let us get it on autopilot for you. Let us use us for our skills. Let us show you, let us teach you if you'd like, or just let us do it for you. It's simple as that, folks. If you want to brand yourself, or you want to brand your business, and you want to set yourself apart from your competitors, you need to give us a call. My name's Carrie Bevel. The easiest way to get a hold of me is through Skype, and my ID there is Carrie.Bevel. That's CARRIE.BEVILL. Contact me, and let's go ahead and do a consultation. Let's see what it is that you got going on right now. Let's find out what it is that you want. Let's find out what it is that you need to do to get results. So let's do something different today than we did yesterday to get the results that we desire. To do that, give me a call, and you will not be sorry. I promise that. I guarantee you results. I guarantee it. Please get together with me, and let's chat, and let's get a win-win situation going on here. Let me help you. Have a fantastic day.